focused right now in the starter kits, and yeah, and let's go with this
Yeah.
new release.
I have seen those PR merged by the Taylor. Or maybe like Joe. Who merged the PRs? Joe, right? Joe
Uh,
Tananda?
yeah, yeah. Right now, I'm merging the PRs because Joe asked me to take a look in the PRs that were open and check if they were okay. If not, to merge, do some small changes. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking a look at all the pull requests that we have in the starter kit right now and merging them or making some small changes. And sometimes most people, for example, they do a pull request, for example, for the Vue or for the React one, and some people don't create the same change in the other one, and even on Livewire. So when someone creates a pull request, for example, for Vue, then we need to replicate that change to the
Other
React
starter
and the
kits.
Livewire, and yeah. So this is the kind of thing that I'm
Yeah.
doing. I'm checking the pull requests and making those syncs
Yeah.
in,
Once
in
I
the
did
starter kit.
like PR to starter kit and almost opened 7 PRs to different repositories.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, yeah.
yeah.
It's a lot of repositories for the starter kits.
Mm. Ok- And even like Pushpak have created one tool you guys internally use, which makes a PR from the Laravel skeleton. So if you change anything in a Laravel skeleton, it will automatically create PR to all of the static
Yeah, exactly,
repositories.
exactly. Today I had a call with Pushback. First time I met him like in a call, and
Oh,
he showed me that. So it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool script that does that. Yeah, it syncs the skeleton with all the starter kits. So that's amazing.
yeah. So it's quite big 2 weeks PRs collection.
Damn, yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, I'm not even able to zoom it like because we have this thing, right? I cannot even. Can I open? Yeah, I can open specific release, so it can be bit more zoomed. Okay, so we may will gonna spend much time in this maybe
Uh, yeah,
too
yeah,
because this is huge PR
yeah,
by
yeah. It's
the core team member, and I think we were looking for a package which provides good support for JSON API resource, but it is now built in. So I
Yeah,
mean,
exactly. Yeah, it was a it was a package that now it's part of the core, so it's a lot of of things.
which package?
Sorry.
You said like one of the package
Yeah,
you
I
are talking
think
about?
it was a package. No, the JSON API.
Team,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay. Team McDonald. Uh, JSON resource kind of.
The
Yeah,
JSON API.
yeah, it
Yeah,
is.
that's yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it was still in alpha or beta or something like that, I guess. It wasn't released properly. It has tags, no
Yeah,
releases.
yeah,
So I was actually waiting for this, but now this is built
yeah.
in.
Now it's built in now.
Yeah.
And it's pretty good for creating APIs. That's very good to have this already like in the core.
See, he is everywhere. Luke. Okay.
Yeah, it has. This is a massive like pull request, and
Okay. Easy. Some issues are also being created, fixed as well. Let's see. But the good news is now we have like JSON API specification by default in Laravel, built in
yes,
Laravel.
yes, that's very good. That's very good for creating APIs.
Yeah. Add static constructor to guest middleware. Hmm. You wanna
Okay.
see that?
Yeah, we can take a look.
Because we have so many PRs
Yeah, we have a lot.
and
We have a lot.
and
Well,
still
we can just take a look at some of them. And
yeah. Or let's say let do one thing. Maybe Laravel news 12 point. Oh wow, nice. Was
oh,
wasn't it
nice,
good
nice.
auto completion? Auto
Yeah,
completion.
that's
Okay. So yeah, this we have seen already, right?
yeah,
You
yeah,
can
yeah.
create post resource with now JSON API flag, and
Nice.
it will be extended by JSON API resource.
That's
I
pretty
don't
cool.
know how much it will gonna improve each day, but yeah, this is good. Then as binary thing. Oh, nice. Hmm.
Oh, oh, that's interesting. That's
What
interesting.
is
A
like
cast,
is
a cat.
required true?
Sorry.
Is required true.
Yeah, that's.
Oh,
I'm
it's a
not
guy,
sure. Oh.
not a PR.
Oh yeah, yeah. The PR is.
The first class support for binarily stored identifiers in the Laravel while presenting string-based API in application code. So UID and ULD built-in codes.
It's
Why?
binary.
Okay, there is optional and contracts. Oh.
Oh, okay.
Then
Binary
is binary
store.
helper. Okay, it is also now adding is binary helper.
Oh, nice, nice.
The UTF-8 strings. Why? Binary storage of UIDLT provides smaller indexes and better performance, but Laravel lacks a native generic solution. Uh-huh. This
Okay,
adds a framework level primitive, not a UID specific abstraction.
okay.
Okay.
Let's see how it
And
works.
this is
Okay,
what
we
it
use the
is.
S binary.
Yeah, which was even listed there.
Yeah, the
Value
values are
stored as a binary
stored
bytes. Values
and
are
exposed as
exposed as a
strings.
strings. Yeah. Is required flag enforce non-blank decoded values at a runtime. Okay. Explicitly communicates nullability prevent presence. Intent. Can be leveraged by static analysis. Uh-huh.
No, that's interesting. That's interesting.
Retooling for future framework validation. Mhm. Okay. Now custom code. So you can just provide flag. Something like
Oh,
that.
that's interesting. You can even
Encode,
provide
decode.
a codec to yeah to encode in the code.
Okay.
That's interesting. That's pretty cool.
I think I would be interested in seeing some code. So as binary cast is there.
Yeah,
Constitute.
this is a
Add a
cast.
string. Oh, what is this syntax? I'm not aware of this syntax.
Ah, raised. Yeah, that's different. That's a different one. Usually, I never saw that.
It's yeah. Okay. So maybe if Taylor has allowed it, I don't know if this must exist. Otherwise, we will gonna fix it for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Cast using the okay, it is returning the new class. hmm Still not much things. Get set.
Oh yeah, here
Okay,
it
we
is.
have class to decode and encode. That's
Nice.
it.
That's interesting.
Why it is in array format,
In what?
like in array wrapped into the square brackets. I don't know, and I'm not want to really deep dive into it right now
Yeah,
because we have
yeah,
really
yeah.
really less time.
UID, ULID.
Seriously, it is not understandable from the first off. So it could be any format, like using given format. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so
The
this is the
binary
class we should
codec.
look a bit. Custom codes. Okay, so
Yeah, you
it is
can write
basically
here.
that register
Yeah.
thing. Then in encode, we have ULD interface, ULD string, all the stuff. And if we will have a custom code, then we will do with the custom code. Otherwise, if it is ULD, how they are detecting the format? Okay, format. Uh, okay, self is binary from string, get bytes to binary. Okay, I think it has also
Nice.
changed thing into the ULD and those classes. Or okay, these are from PHP only, right?
Oh, which one?
These classes UUID and ULID.
I don't think so. I think it's a
Okay,
package. Yeah,
oh
it's a
yeah, it's a package.
package.
It's a package.
This guy.
Okay, and is binary? It's checking if it is not string or if it is not empty string. Hmm.
Okay.
And it should contains this. Wow.
Okay.
And if it is
And
not containing that,
check
we need to check
now.
MB check encoding. Oh,
Okay.
UTF-8. Correct. The other thing. Oh, okay. This is just
Okay.
removing the
Yeah,
space.
this was just in space. Probably I don't know. Maybe a
Okay.
linter or
So
something did.
where is the that is binary helper?
Yeah. Where is doesn't have any other changes?
Those are tests. Oh, paste.
Yeah, those are tests.
This is also part of
Tests.
test. So there are no other changes. So it has only changed this in a
Why?
helpers.
Wait. Oh,
Oh,
there.
this
The use
is
binary is there.
so it's static method.
Yeah, it's static from the binary codec.
Okay. So there is a possibility you can add or understood. I think I know the reason why we don't have a helper. Let's see. So at the bottom, oh, oh my gosh.
Oh, there
I
was
didn't
a
see this much commits
yeah, there
by
was
Dela. So
some changes there.
okay, and this one is the commit where helper was removed. See,
Okay.
this helper has been
Yeah,
removed
it moved
and it
from the
moved to
helpers
yeah.
inside to the class. Okay, okay.
Makes sense though.
Yeah, yeah. Nice. That's cool.
We spent a lot of time into that. Okay, then we have a attachment helper for cloud storage. Yeah, it's been added by Philo. I remember that he tweeted about this, and
Oh,
this is
nice.
just nothing, just a cloud
Yeah, just
storage helper, which by default add this
yeah.
behind the scenes, nothing else.
Nice. That's cool. That's cool. Back at the
Backed enum support
gnomes.
for session keys. Oh, nice.
Oh, oh, that's interesting.
Okay, for catch
For
keys,
cache keys. Okay.
these both could be merged. Marked email as unverified. Oh,
Oh,
nice helper. So before we had mark as verified.
as
Now
verified. Now there is there is a way to mark as unverified. That's good. That's good.
table flag to env encrypt.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
this
I
was
saw
added
that.
by
That is
Matthias.
yeah.
He's also
That's a
like
pretty cool one.
technical support engineer at Laravel.
Yeah. This is very good when we are using like encrypted
There are
environment.
many
That's
things though.
yeah. It's a lot of things.
I don't know.
It was a huge release, as you said,
Yeah,
because we had 2 weeks of
yeah.
things going on.
This looks good. Do you wanna test? Okay, add enum to persistent fake. I think it is just added
Yeah, I think it's what
chop
the
start
same thing
chop
as the
and
other one.
Yeah, chop start stop and returning empty string when given the empty needle.
Okay.
Do you wanna
Oh,
see that?
that's nice. Yeah, we can take a look. That's
Mm. Came to Laravel news from there. So if you have this, it is returning this instead of Laravel. Oh, so it
yeah.
is just kind of fix.
Okay. Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. Makes sense. Makes sense.
The ant split and strlen is it is fixing for invalid argument exception.
Okay. Can take a look. It should be pretty small.
Small, yeah. I think let's see directly code. So if step is less than one, it says invalid argument.
Oh, okay. So it's just a check for checking the number of
Yeah. Same for
if
number of
it's yeah.
groups. So if it will be like zero, it will throw
Yeah, it
null.
will just
So,
break
so
through a
I mean, in both the cases, it will throw the exception, but the exception is invalid argument instead of null pointer. No, no, divide by zero
yeah, yeah.
exception. Okay.
Yeah, I think
So
it's
not
only
much to
that.
see
Yeah,
here as
not
well.
much. Let's see.
Readable flag we already said. Update fake method. Parameter type for this. It is also type
Okay.
thing.
Yeah, just
Belongs
typing.
to many. It is
It's
just typo.
typo.
Redis queue job. PHP Redis serialization. Enable it. Okay. It is also
Select
fixed.
red schedule.
Add missing
Okay.
return type. Hmm.
Okay, adding return type. Yeah. Mockery. Clean up.
Wanna see that?
Yeah, yeah, we can take a look. It's
Yeah,
probably.
it's quite. Oh my gosh, there is a
Oh,
lot of
oh, oh my.
changes.
Let's just read
900
the
line.
summary.
Oh, okay. So it
Centralized
says like,
Mockery cleanup. Mockery. Oh, okay. Now I know why it removes a lot of
yeah. I think there is
instead
more
of
reason as well.
yeah, instead
Yeah,
of doing that in everywhere, it's just doing the tear down in one place
but it also added bootstrap test arc.
after each test.
Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah,
Yeah, after each test extension,
yeah.
in
That's this one.
each
There,
manual test, and then oh, okay.
it's going to register the subscriber, and the subscriber is going just to close. Yeah, it's just a closed mockery, and then everywhere that's doing the tear down, it's removing.
But still, I mean, how he is able to add 300 lines of code in this one? I think that is still,
Yeah, probably it's because of that the parent tear down. In a lot of places, instead of calling close, it's calling the tear down from the parent.
oh,
Oh, okay. It's also
but by
doing
small
yeah.
m, it shouldn't be capital M. I don't know. Really not
Oh,
sure.
I think yeah. No, I
It's
think
a
it's
small m.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of used everywhere like that. Yeah, that's a lot of things.
It is changing everywhere. I mean, so that's why
yeah,
kind of unneeded PR, but okay, it's making bit
yeah. It's
improvements
good
still.
because it yeah it removes a lot of things that like new tests that would use mockery. We don't need to do that tear down anymore.
Yeah. Then this is also
Add lang attributes to mail layout. Okay.
chain batch queryable chain property array shift
Before change bad code, change proper okay, refactor, the block,
formatting.
just formatting.
Yeah, this we can
Huh?
see.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Having not
So, uh,
between
huh.
or
Oh, this is
having
actually
between.
cool because I had to do having row when I want to do having between or something, having not between or something like that. I think so. Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah, let's see the code
Yeah,
directly.
and it was quite small.
Having not
Having
between.
having between and calling the boolean as true.
Oh, it's and. Uh, which is something. Here we have true. Okay.
Yeah,
Or having with or.
yeah, with or and
Having
or
between with true.
having not between.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So it was already supporting the not with this true or something like that.
Oh, it's like to do that, you would need to use like this, call the having between, right? You will need
See,
to call the
not
having between,
false.
yeah, and doing this, the calls with the correct parameters.
So it
Now
was
with those
already
ones, they are
exist.
just,
Hmm. Okay. So this not thing was already exist.
yeah,
I
yeah,
didn't know. I didn't know that.
yeah. That's cool. That's cool.
Yeah. So now you can do having not
Yeah, yeah,
between
yeah. You don't need
or
to
having true.
remember to
Uh,
to do how to call the
Yeah.
parameters.
Uh, then this we already seen.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Refactor, remove if and replace. I cannot
Remove if and
understand this by title
uh-huh.
itself.
Oh yeah,
So
yeah.
let's
Let's take a look.
a line of code.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
question
yeah.
mark.
Yeah, it's just
So
the
why he said this? Acha, okay, okay, got it. Remove if
yeah, I
and
got it,
replace question
but
mark. Oh, oh my gosh.
yeah, the title could be could be like remove if and replace with optional chain, but
Replace with
yeah,
question.
then
Ah,
replace with and replace.
it looks like question more.
Oh man,
Okay, that was funny. But yeah, then change your back enum. Yeah, this is to unit
okay.
enum. Okay, why? Okay. Oh. So I think it's related to middleware or something like that. So that's why
Yeah.
the gate class unit enum describe abilities argument, but the authorizable trait
Oh,
which calls
nice.
get method defines ability to back enum. So thus PR standardize the type across the board. If I was him, I add I will I would try to add back enum support for get class instead of removing it from authorizable trait. What do
Yeah,
you think?
the thing is that I think that the backend enum it's kind of like a child to the unit enum. So
Oh yeah, yeah,
putting
yeah, yeah.
unit enum, it's going to accept both.
Oh yeah, yeah, right. But yeah,
If
I wasn't sure that if like get class accept
if
back enum as well.
yeah, if I'm correct, let me try to check you because
Yeah, you are correct with the type thing. I wasn't sure with the support itself. Back enum are like are also extending unit enum for sure to give a types return types.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Allow backend enum for cache.
This
Oh
we
yeah,
already
this is
seen.
one we solved. Yeah. The command failed event and listen for fail. Oh, okay. That's interesting. That's good.
Let's see. Currently, Laravel's Redis implementation dispatch command executed events for successful commands, but there is no clean way to monitor failed commands without wrapping every Redis call into try-catch block. So that database layer has similar observability pattern, and Redis should follow the suit. Oh,
Yeah, yeah. That's pretty good. That's pretty good because it's much easier to log the issues with Redis.
so they have must added this command fail event as well.
Yeah, yeah. You need to listen to this event, like it's there, the listener, and then you can have a better,
Yeah,
much easier observability when things are
Might not
failing.
it might not work with like direct listeners, which we have like for event listeners.
Oh, which ones?
So we create listeners for events, right? Is it gonna work
Oops.
with those normal listeners, which we just create for normal
Oh
events?
yeah. Okay. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Because it is like explicitly defining the method to listen.
Yeah, yeah. This is just for that, for the Reds connection to listen just for these failures.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
Okay.
that's
He
pretty good.
closed, he opened and merged. Maybe he was like closing 5 or 6 PRs in a row, and he forgot like he need to merge
Yeah,
it.
that is close, close,
um,
close, close.
close, close, close. Validation exception. Update redirect property to define include by. Okay, got it.
Yeah, they trick the Reds. Okay, okay. S-
I don't know. Do you wanna see that?
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Yeah. Job attempt. Event dispatch to separate method. Sync queue. Attempted. Oh, extract
Oh, it's
job
just
attempted event to
extracting the
dispatch to separate method in sync sync queue.
sync queue. Yeah, that's just a refactoring of the code to dispatch in another
Adjust
part. So,
get listener
oh,
dispatcher
that's
doc
just
doc.
the doc
Okay, that's a
block.
doc doc.
Yeah,
Job attempted again. Job attempted sync
fire for sync
fire.
job.
Okay, so it was added, then it was extracted
Yeah, yeah.
because we are going down to then
Good.
add type test for pending request. That is nothing.
Okay.
Use constant. So it is much about PHP stand support or something like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Use constant for session ID
Okay. Yes.
length. So it will be just refactor, which is like just taking those from variables to uh, adding it into the constant variable
Yeah. Okay.
property. Or readme test adjust readme status
Test
badge.
status. Oh, okay. Just adding the badge to the readme with the tests.
I seen this PR, I guess. Yeah, he's just
Yeah.
improving a lot of stuff. Yeah, actions. Yeah, I
Yeah.
seen this PR actually.
Next,
Okay, what next? Not not much.
change the
Add
remember
connection
cookie.
details to query
Okay.
exception. Yeah. Change remember cookie to store MAC address of user password as instead
Oh,
of real password hash. Uh,
okay. Good. Good.
Q listen timeout false positive after system slip awake. Uh-huh. I don't know about it. What it says.
Could we
Do you like?
listen them out false positives also? Yeah, we can take a look. Okay, fix issue where command crashes with a timeout error after the system wakes from sleep. Oh, okay. Okay. So even that the system was not running, the clock was still advancing, and then it was failing if like it was running, but it was on sleep.
Oh. But like Q listen is for development purpose, right?
Yeah.
Once. Uh-huh. This seems
Okay.
AI. But yeah.
That's interesting. That's interesting. Damn. I don't know how he got this issue. How he was able to find that this was failing. And it was a really simple change.
Huh. I mean, even if it was failing, wouldn't have minded much. I will just restart it.
Yeah,
It's for
yeah.
local.
Yeah, oh, okay. Let me restart it. And that's it.
Refactor queue pose logic. Mm-hmm. Nothing new though. Just refactor.
Yeah, normalize
Normalize
zapper.
the app URL
Yeah,
and
generic
generating
file
file
system.
system URLs. Do you wanna see that?
Yeah, we can take a look just to see what's.
I hope it is not just slash or something like that.
It's going to be calling on air trim or something like
It's
that.
slash. It's a slash. So if there is already slash, just remove it. I mean, from the end.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, nice.
Uh, then where we were, okay. Attachment helper. Yeah, we already seen this. Add queue post and resume event. Oh, this is nice. And it is also from Jack.
Okay. Oh, this guy did a lot of things.
Here it is as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Then model inspector. Oh, so actually in the uh, last what? Ah, yeah, last stream we were talking about this model inspector.
Oh, okay.
And he is the guy who pointed out the class. he, I think he changed it as well. Okay, but it is include JSON resource in model inspector. That's it.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool.
Mm. Add static constructor. Yeah, we already seen that. So we already go through all the PRs,
Yeah,
but but
but.
we have two more releases after.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, so the
Let's take a
fix
look.
fix for resource collection usage when used with an array instead of model collection.
Okay, okay. That's
I don't
cool.
know what it is, but it's been fixed, so not the problem anymore. Fix calling to array on anonymous resource collection. It is also about resource collection. Fix validator append rules. It is also fix feature. Okay. Allow unit enum in has method of
Oh,
get class.
we saw something like that in the
Yeah, we already
yeah.
seen three at three places like session get put. Then since we already add it into the define, so it could be
The
also
gig s should accept. Yeah,
has
yeah, that's true. Because
wow
if you can define as
wow.
an enum, you should be able to to check.
He asked Copilot to review it, and there was many.
Damn, that's the Copilot
Oh, here it is.
added a lot.
So pull request review get has string enum value. Okay, it is just
Oh, okay.
good,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
a
It's not.
anything, not
Yeah,
bad.
yeah.
Okay, there was one thing.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
oh, nice, nice.
Shorting, which is good. And if we haven't done that, Taylor must have done that. Oh, yeah, done one more level.
Yeah, it was from string to the middle, and then to the middle to the right.
String a co-pilot said like you cannot be first, be second. Then Taylor says you cannot even be
No, no,
second,
cannot be
be
second.
third.
With third.
Okay, we have still
Uh,
beat time. Do you wanna see docs PRs?
yeah, we can take a look. We can take a look in the docs.
Docs. Yeah, will also let's see commits directly. What do you say?
Yeah, we can check the commits directly to see what was updated
Okay,
in the last
it was
days.
updated yesterday, and I already seen we already seen this, so this is not much thing.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Binary
Yeah.
casting already added by Taylor, so I think I don't need to create a code block tip or something like that. I will just take screenshot of documentation. Refactor improve name. Let's see.
Okay.
Post to albums. Oh, because it's
Oh,
albums.
because it was albums and okay.
User to comments.
Okay. Okay.
Crazy. How this could be even present in
Yeah, it probably no one saw that.
I mean, who called comments as a users and it was
Oh,
merged as
that's
well.
yeah, that's
See,
those
I
issues
can,
of copy and
yeah,
paste.
yeah, I can still allow, I mean, albums as a post, right?
Yeah,
Because
but
it could
user
be,
as
but the
comments.
comments as a users.
Oh man.
Fixed documentation. Ah, CSS. Two style CSS. Okay, by the way, uh, I want to show you one thing, and I think I got one idea when I see that two style CSS something, right?
Okay.
So let's say author is me. See, this dark mode PR got closed,
Oh,
right?
okay.
It wasn't close. He said like, I will like to wait till Laravel 13.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I haven't deleted the branch yet. Let's see. But what I'm thinking is, at place of adding uh, dark mode support, I can add support for media queries. What do you think?
That's
Basically, this whole PR without adding this CSS stuff, like this stuff or this stuff. You know what I mean?
just allowing instead of adding the stylus itself, you're going just to add the ability to inject the media queries there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is
that's
it make
cool.
sense?
I think it makes sense. I think it makes sense. It could
We're
be
not
cool.
gonna support now dark mode, but instead it will just take these media queries from there, right?
Yeah,
So in
I
future, in future, every can someone can add dark mode support or something like that directly
yeah,
without
dark mode,
overriding.
or yeah, with this it opens more possibilities to customize. So I think it could be a good idea if you create a pull request with only that and take some screenshots of examples on how to use it and how it will look like. I think it can be a good pull request.
Yeah. Or one thing I can also do, which is would I ask him directly, like, will you mind if we add support without adding dark mode itself?
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Check because I think it could be interesting.
Let's see.
Nice. Yeah. Who knows?
Wow.
We never know.
Yeah, I will still like work on this and create a PR. I don't know, but the Laravel 13 is very close.
That's true. That's true. It's
You you may
it's
directly add it. I don't know.
yeah.
Maybe.
If not, you can always create the pull request again.
Yeah. So where we were, you want to see more docs or let's see other packages. So installer was updated, Vue starter kit, React starter kit. It's all done by you, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh,
I've been.
when this was created.
Oh, it's already quite some
Oh
time, I
yeah, yeah,
think.
yeah, it was like a API support.
Oh no, it's not API, but it's like a blank without all the scaffolding for authentication. It's just a blank slate. It
Oh,
does has like
oh,
the
okay.
the the Vue or the React configure, but it doesn't have anything else. So you
So
can create
with or
it.
without auth.
Yeah, it just has that welcome page and nothing else.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, but
Hmm.
it's a starting point if you want to create like your own login, your own dashboard, so you can create it from scratch.
Oh, do you remember this hash thing? MAC, HMAC.
Oh, nice,
It's now been added to like Sanctum.
nice.
Hey,
That's cool.
let's scroll a bit more and see. Yeah, this is nice actually. Surveyor, the new package from Laravel.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, I think there is not much thing to look now. Do you want to see like Taylor's latest tweet or something like that? I don't know. I
Yeah,
think
we
there is
can
no
take.
tweet. I guess what I remember. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't
Okay.
think there's anything like new that he posted.
Yeah. Even I have like opened the terminal and project new, but we couldn't taste anything today. Okay.
But I do think that that idea could be nice. Let's see if Taylor agrees with adding the
Yeah.
media query thing for the styles.
You can ask for followers to complete 10,000. Yeah, on face
Oh
on
yeah,
social.
yeah, 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 yeah. It's almost there.
Okay. Okay. Then let me stop my screen. Okay. Do you wanna talk anything or let's just.
Yeah,
By
no,
the
I
way,
think that.
congratulate again
Thanks,
for
thanks.
the joining.
Thanks. Yeah. I'm going to release today after the call here. I need just to finish the preparing the pull request that pushback started. Now I'm just adding some changes. We are going to update the starter kits to when you do a seed, the default seeder for the user. Right now, it would create a user with two-factor authentication enabled. So basically, you wouldn't be needed. You wouldn't be able to log in
Oh,
because it would ask for the two-factor
yeah.
authentication. So we are
Yeah.
removing that by default and adding with two-factor that you can use to enable it. And also, when using this with two-factor, we are using like static values. Before it was creating a random string for the value, but following the same that we do for the password for the user that's set to password, we are setting now just fixed values for the two-factor recovery code and for the secret. Then it's much easier, for example, for when creating tests that you need to test two-factor authentication. It's much easier to set up your tests without needing to change other things in the factory. So it's going to be out of the box.
By the way, I'm like I see like 45 is getting lot of weight when it's being added to new starter kits. What are your thoughts on that?
Oh, I think that Fortify it's pretty cool, to be honest. I
Me too.
really
Like
like Fortify. I don't know why why people like don't like it, because it like it's so easy. If you check, like, it's so good to have like the starter kits. You just do a Laravel new, and then you have like two-factor authentication right out of the box without anything. Because I already worked in other applications that I needed to create like two-factor authentication, uh, even like using other packages and everything. It's still a lot of work. And with
yeah,
Fortify, you have that. You don't need to do anything. Don't need to do
of
anything.
course.
So that's pretty cool. Another thing that
I wanted to
I
do a.
tested,
Mhm.
another thing that I tested that I didn't test before, but I started testing since I started working the starter kits. It's the work OS variation. So instead of using the Laravel authentication, you use work OS, and that's pretty cool as well. That's pretty cool. I have used other SSO services before, like for example, open source one that's Keycloak, and WorkOS feels much lighter, and it looks like the dashboard looks much better than
Yeah,
other ones. So it's pretty cool.
I haven't seen the work OS thing yet though.
Yeah,
But
you
yeah,
can you can create like a an account, and you are going to have kind of sandbox that you can test, so you don't need to pay anything, and it's pretty cool. It's like you can, again, you just create the starter kit with the work OS, and then you have out of the box two-factor authentication and social logins, like out of the box. Not even you don't even need like, it's easy to add with Socialite as well, but with the workOS, if you don't want even to do it, and if you don't want to handle the user management itself, you use it, and it's very easy to do.
yeah, I wanted to do like stream on Y45, Y Laravel 45, so like people can like understand why everything is going behind the scenes with the 45.
I think it's a good idea. I think it's a good idea.
I
It
asked
45,
Pushpak.
yeah, 45 is pretty good, man. 45 is pretty good.
Yeah, let's see. Maybe I will call you both of you,
Okay,
and
nice.
we
Yeah,
will we
let's do
will do
it.
dip. We will do debate.
Nice, nice. I think it's a great idea. Come in.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Thanks for joining and be till the end. Uh,
Thanks.